In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable high performance mode. Start by opening settings and scrolling to click on battery section available here. Now tap on current mode and hit performance mode in the pop-up. Then wait for another pop-up to show, and when it does, hit OK. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance was successfully enabled. To disable it, click on current mode and select any other one. Quick tip: if you are not sure if performance mode is currently on, you don't need to go into battery settings every time. You can just check if battery icon at the top right corner is blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!